Do you know why cold press cooking oils are becoming so popular these days? While it may be a bit challenging to distinguish between cold press and regular oils while cooking or tasting, the main difference lies in how they are made, how long they last, and how they are used in the cooking. Cold press oils undergo natural extraction with a low heat, preserving their original flavor, aroma, and nutrition value. On the other hand, refined oils are extracted at high temperature, treated with chemicals, degrading their flavor and nutritional composition. So let's discuss the shelf life of both types of oil. Regular oils typically use hydrogenation and chemicals to prolong their shelf life, making them more affordable. On the other hand, cold press oils, being unfiltered and minimally processed, have a shorter shelf life, but they ensure the better quality and retain more nutrients. When it comes to cooking methods, cold press oils are suitable for medium to low heat cooking due to their low smoking points. Regular oils with the high smoking points are ideal for high temperature cooking. Now that we have identified the primary distinction between cold press cooking oils and regular oils, what we can include? Cold press oils are packed with essential nutrients like vitamin E, C, D, omega-3, 6, zinc and potassium. They retain their goodness of the ingredients, are safer, healthier due to their minimal processing and fewer chemicals. Though they may cost a bit more, it is worthwhile investment for your better health. Do not hesitate to share your questions in the comments below. Follow us for more nutrition and health tips.